Hey salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making chicken curry. I'm going to make this curry using an AI cooking robot known as Cody29. I'm going to serve this chicken curry with rice and a spicy cucumber that's going to have preserved lemon dressing. Trust me, you're really going to enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Let's start with the spices. I'm using here coriander, cumin seeds, some of these fennel seeds, black peppercorns, cassia bark, bay leaves, green cardamoms, a small piece of mace, and some of these cloves. You want to toast the spices for a minute or so to release all the beautiful aroma, and the toasted spices are easier to blend. Now transfer them into a blender and blend this until nice and sweet. Now in that you want to throw in the red chili. You can add more or less depending on your liking. And with the garam masala, some of this turmeric, and finally some salt. Now give that a really good mix and set aside for later use. Our amazing curry spice. Done. Now for our main ingredients. First of all, you want to thinly slice the onions. Make a paste of garlic, ginger, green chili. Finally chop some of the fresh coriander as well. Alright, so we have prepped all the ingredients. For the chicken, I'm using chicken thighs. Now you could also use chicken breast or a whole chicken with the bones. Alright, let's cook this using our Cody29 robot. First, you want to add a good touch of oil in there. And if you want, you can select one of the recipes, but we're going to use this master DIY function. Alright, for from this menu, we can select the speed, the temperature, the power. The temperature, I'm going to set it to around 150. So 8 to 7 is around medium power. I'm just going to set it to 8 for now. The speed function is used when you want the robot to automatically stir it. So I'm just going to leave that for now. And we're going to start this. Alright, so the oil is nice and hot. I'm going to throw in all of our onions. We're looking for a nice golden brown color on those onions. Let's place the lid. Just gonna align it right here, and we're gonna turn on the speed function just to 1. The brand new Cody29 by Kitchen Idea is designed to meet the demands of different cooking purposes. So it basically eliminates your hassle in the kitchen and makes home cooking into a joyful, family kind of experience. I think of this cooking robot as a personal kitchen assistant. You know, it simplifies the cooking process, allows me to prepare tasty and nutritious meals with minimal effort. I do a lot of prep work, so this will really help me a lot. Oh, the aroma of cooked onions is amazing. Alright, so the onions are nice and golden brown. Now we're gonna throw in our ginger, garlic, green chili paste. And we're going to cook the rawness of that paste for a few minutes. Now cover again so we can soften up the tomatoes. Set the speed to around 1 again. Alright, so while that is cooking, let me just talk a bit more about Cody29. So Cody29 comes with 21 distinct cooking modes, different food prep functions such as grinding, mincing, cream whipping, and I also got 12 cooking functions such as deep frying, stir frying, and steaming. This robot comes with 3 different blades, kneading, stir frying, and a multi-function blade. You know, it's got everything that you really need. I really love the steamer. Imagine steaming a whole chicken with some potatoes, some vegetables. It even comes with this cleaning brush so you can auto clean. Saves you more time, you know, and the energy. Alright, let's check this. Looks amazing. With your spices, and you want to cook the rawness of these spices as well, give it another minute. At this point of time, I'm going to turn the temperature down to 125 and power to 9. Make sure to always deglaze when needed. Alright, as you can see, everything is nicely coming together and the oil is separated from the mixture. This is exactly what you're looking for. And now you want to add the chicken. Now we're going to let the chicken cook for around 10 to 12 minutes covered, and make sure to keep an eye on the chicken. There's also different sections for different recipes, so if you got any special dietary requirements or want any delicious main courses, and they have over 1000 recipes, which is again great. Now of course, you don't have to select a single recipe. You can adjust the temperature, the timing, and you just cook it to your desired temperature or timing. You know what, this is the type of the cooking robot that will definitely make your gatherings more impressive. Alright, let's check this. Bismillah. You can see the chicken has released its water. This is exactly what we're looking for. Oh, it smells so amazing. One of the best chicken curry that you're gonna try. Now as the chicken has released juices, you know, there's no need to add more water. You can add some, you know, if you want to. I'm gonna add some water just so I have a bit more gravy. Give that a good mix, and again you want to bring this to simmer. When the chicken curry is almost ready, you want to throw in knobs of butter. Alright, let's take a look. It looks so delicious. Our mouth-watering chicken curry. Done. Oh, it smells amazing, trust me. You can see Cody29 has cooked this chicken curry perfectly. The main reason for this is we can set the temperatures perfectly, and it automatically stirs and adjusts the temperature, so we don't have to worry about that. Alright, let's get cooking. First of all, with a good touch of oil. Alright, so we're gonna stir fry the rice. So I'm just gonna click on Master DIY. Temperature, I'm gonna set it to around 150 Celsius. The power, I'm gonna set it to 9 for now. And we're gonna click on Start. So it tells you the real temperature as well on the pot. Or when the oil is nice and hot, I'm gonna throw in our green cardamoms just to flavor the oil. And in that, I'm gonna throw in our spring onion whites. red chili, our amazing garlic. And now we're gonna saute this for a few minutes. Cover it up and set the speed to 1 so we can stir it. Now another great thing is you can always click on the pause button to stop everything immediately. Now let's check this. Oh, it smells amazing. So good. Everything is perfectly sauteed. Alright, now we're gonna throw in our boiled rice. Season with a good pinch of salt, some of these red chili flakes, and freshly ground black pepper. And again, you want to cover this and let it stir fry for a few minutes. You can adjust the power to around 7 or 8, which is like a moderate heat. Alright, so it's been a few minutes, let's check this. Oh man, the rice looks so delicious. Now you want to throw in some of the salted butter, some of these spring onion greens, and finally throw in some of the lemon juice and zest of a lemon. And now give that a really good mix and let it cook on medium power for another minute or so. Our delicious garlic chili rice, done. For the preserved lemon dressing, with the vinegar, with the mustard, give that a whisk and slowly mix in the olive oil until the mixture comes together. Alright, so that looks great. So you want to use 1 preserved lemon. You want to separate the flesh from the skin and finally chop it. You do want to use some skin in the dressing, but don't use all of it. And I'm with your preserved lemon and some of this outer skin. Now let's season with red chili flakes, freshly grounded black pepper, touch of this salt, some of this sugar, a bit of this parsley, and finally squeeze in some of the lemon juice to bring everything together. And just give this a really good mix. Now have a little taste and adjust any seasoning if you need to. Our delicious preserved lemon dressing, done. For the cucumber, you want to slice it into long pieces. Here with the cucumber, you want to season this with some of the chipotle chili, cayenne pepper. Later on, we're going to serve this with our preserved lemon dressing. Our mouth-watering cucumber, done. For the mango milkshake, first of all I'm going to change the normal blade to a multi-blade. You want to press it down and turn to your right to remove it. It's used for crushing, making juices, milkshakes, etc. Here with your mangoes, here with the yogurt, some of the water. I'm also going to use some of these cardamom seeds without the shell. It's going to add a bit more aroma and taste. Some of these roasted and salted nuts. I'm using pecans, pistachios, walnuts, sugar to taste, and finally in with the ice cube. Now cover and blend this for a minute until nice and smooth. Now let's check this. And finally add some more nuts onto there. Our delicious mango lassi, done. Kitchen idea revolutionizing the way we cook and making robotic cooking solutions more accessible to families and households. If you're looking for a cooking robot that basically does the functions of a normal kitchen, then you definitely need to check out Cody 29 AI cooking robot. I will leave the links down below. Alright guys, let's play this up. Some of this spicy cucumber and our mouth-watering chicken curry. Trust me, this type of chicken curry you won't find in any restaurant. This is one of the best chicken curry that you're gonna try. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks so delicious. Let's try some of the cucumber first with some of the preserved lemon dressing. Bismillah. It has a bit of tang to it. So delicious. So refreshing as well. Now let's try our rice first without the chicken curry. Bismillah. These rice have depth of flavor. They are so good. Try the rice with our chicken curry now. Bismillah. Wow. Oh man, that is so mouth-watering, so irresistible. Like I said, one of the best chicken curry that you're gonna try. The gravy is so heartwarming. The Cody 29 cooking robot has cooked this perfectly. It is so delicious, trust me. Alright, finally let's try our mango lassi. Wow. That is so tasty. You can taste a bit of those cardamom pop, the mango, the yogurt along with some nuts. Oh wow. I'm feeling so full right now. You guys are gonna really enjoy this. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.